Out on the open range, change rarely announces itself. There are no alarms or headlines, just cattle grazing under wide western skies. At first glance, this ranch looks unchanged. But beneath the calm surface, a quiet revolution is underway. Around the necks of these cattle sit small, rugged devices, AI-powered collars that never sleep. Above the land, drones move silently, watching patterns no human eye could track all day. Together, they form a new kind of ranch hand, always present, always observing. These silent sentinels don't replace tradition, they protect it. They collect data on movement, grazing, health, and location, turning raw information into early warnings. Problems are spotted before they become losses. Decisions are made with confidence instead of guesswork. This is not about turning ranches into laboratories. It's about giving ranchers better tools to survive a changing world. And it's already reshaping how cattle are managed across the American West. Ranching has always depended on observation, reading cattle behavior, knowing when something isn't right. But on modern ranches covering thousands of acres, constant observation isn't possible. Distance creates blind spots. Missed signs cost money. A sick animal goes unnoticed. A cow separates from the herd. Predators move in unseen. By the time problems are discovered, damage is already done. At the same time, labor is harder to find, weather is less predictable, and margins are tighter than ever. Ranchers aren't looking for shortcuts, they're looking for support. Technology stepped in where human limits exist. I doesn't get tired. It doesn't miss subtle changes. It watches continuously, filling the gaps no rancher can cover alone. This isn't about abandoning experience. It's about reinforcing it with tools designed for the scale and complexity of modern ranching. At first glance, an AI cattle collar looks simple, durable, lightweight, built for harsh conditions. But inside, it's constantly working. These collars track movement, location, grazing behavior, and body temperature. Artificial intelligence learns what's normal for each animal. When behavior shifts, alerts are sent immediately. A cow slowing down, isolating from the herd, showing early signs of illness. Instead of reacting to visible symptoms, ranchers gain days of early warning. Treatment comes sooner, stress is reduced, losses are prevented rather than managed after the fact. Each collar becomes a digital record of an animal's health and habits. Over time, patterns emerge that help ranchers make better breeding, grazing, and management decisions. This is precision ranching, quiet, constant, and incredibly effective. While collars track individuals, drones see the bigger picture. Flying silently above the land, they scan pastures, locate cattle, and monitor infrastructure. Lost animals are found faster. Fence breaks are spotted early. Water points are checked without hours of riding. What once took a full day can now take minutes. Drones don't replace time on horseback, they make that time smarter. They give ranchers visibility across terrain that's difficult, remote, or dangerous to reach regularly. From thermal imaging to high-resolution mapping, drones extend awareness beyond human limits. The ranch becomes easier to manage, not because it's smaller, but because it's better understood. Data alone doesn't change anything, decisions do. AI systems transform raw information into clear signals ranchers can act on immediately. Alerts arrive when cattle behavior changes, when grazing pressure increases, or when environmental conditions pose risk. Instead of guessing, ranchers respond with precision. Move cattle, check water, isolate a sick animal. The result is calmer herds, healthier land, and fewer losses. Small adjustments made early prevent major problems later. This is where technology proves its value, not as a gadget, but as a tool that protects livestock, land, and time for ranchers willing to adopt it. Silent sentinels are becoming an essential part of modern ranch management. One of the most powerful advantages of AI on the ranch is prediction. Traditional ranching reacts to problems after they appear. AI systems work differently. They study patterns movement, grazing time, rest cycles, and environmental conditions to recognize when something is about to go wrong. Heat stress doesn't start suddenly. Neither does illness. There are small behavioral changes that happen first, often invisible to the human eye. AI identifies those shifts early and sends alerts before the situation becomes critical. Instead of discovering problems during crisis, ranchers gain time to move cattle, time to provide shade or water, time to treat an animal before recovery becomes difficult. Prediction changes everything. It turns ranch management from reactive to proactive, reducing losses and stress for both cattle and people in an industry where margins are thin. Early action can mean the difference between survival and setback. Predators rarely announce themselves. By the time ranchers discover loss, the damage is already done, and monitoring changes that equation. When cattle suddenly bunch, scatter, or move abnormally, alerts are triggered. Drones can be deployed immediately to assess the situation. Thermal imaging reveals movement in darkness. Suspicious activity is detected long before morning. This doesn't eliminate predators, but it reduces opportunity. Ranchers respond faster. Cattle remain calmer. Losses decline. Technology doesn't replace traditional predator management, it strengthens it. By providing early warning, it gives ranchers the advantage instead of leaving them one step behind. Labor has always been essential on ranches, but it's becoming harder to find and retain. AI tools help bridge that gap. They don't replace people, they multiply their effectiveness. Routine checks that once took hours can now be completed quickly, instead of riding every pasture daily. Ranchers focus their time where alerts show attention is needed. Less wasted effort, better outcome. This shift reduces fatigue and burnout. Ranch work remains demanding, but it becomes smarter. Human judgment stays central, supported by constant, reliable information. For many operations, AI is the difference between being understaffed and being overwhelmed or staying in control. When cattle movement is tracked accurately, land management improves automatically. Grazing pressure becomes visible. Overused areas stand out. Recovery time is easier to plan. AI data shows how long cattle stay in each pasture and how evenly they graze. This helps prevent overgrazing, protects root systems, and improves soil health over time. Pastures recover faster and remain productive longer. Healthy land supports healthier cattle, and healthy cattle reduce stress on the ranch system as a whole. Technology doesn't heal land directly, but it guides decisions that allow land to heal itself. Every new tool comes with cost. AI collars, drones, and software require investment, but cost alone doesn't tell the full story. Value does. Reduced cattle loss, lower veterinary expenses, improved grazing efficiency, time saved over months and years. These gains often outweigh the initial expense. For ranchers who think long-term, AI isn't a luxury, it's insurance. Insurance for livestock, land, and livelihood. The question isn't whether ranching will change, it already is. The real question is who adapts and who gets left behind. Adopting AI doesn't start with technology, it starts with mindset. For generations, ranching decisions were made through experience, instinct, and long days in the saddle. That wisdom still matters. But today, experience is being strengthened by information. Ranchers using AI aren't giving up control. They're gaining clarity. Data confirms what instinct senses and reveals what distance hides. Decisions become more confident, more precise, and less stressful. The shift isn't about replacing tradition. It's about protecting it. By reducing uncertainty, AI helps ranchers focus on what matters most: livestock, land, and long-term sustainability. Change can be uncomfortable, but the ranchers who embrace it are finding something unexpected. Technology doesn't take them further from the land, it brings them closer. What's happening on ranches in the American West isn't isolated. Similar challenges exist across the globe: distance, labor shortages, climate pressure, and rising costs. From Australia to South America, AI-powered monitoring is spreading fast. Different landscapes, same problems, same solutions. Technology connects ranchers worldwide through shared knowledge and innovation. The American West has always influenced ranching culture globally. Now, it's helping shape ranching's technological future as well. Silent sentinels are becoming a universal language of stewardship and efficiency. Progress doesn't mean abandoning the past. Unsuccessful ranches, AI tools coexist with time-tested practices. Horses still move cattle, fences still matter, water systems still define success. Technology simply ensures those systems work better. Fewer surprises, fewer emergencies, more time spent managing instead of reacting. This balance keeps ranching human. Decisions remain personal, responsibility remains local. AI provides insight, not authority. When used correctly, technology becomes invisible, quietly supporting the work without changing its soul. The American West was built by people who adapted. Windmills replaced buckets. Pipelines replaced windmills. GPS replaced paper maps. AI is simply the next step in that story. It helps ranchers protect land from overuse, cattle from loss, and livelihoods from uncertainty. Preserving the West doesn't mean freezing it in time. It means giving it tools to survive the future. Silent sentinels aren't changing ranching's purpose, they're protecting it. Ranching has never been static. Every generation adds tools that make the work safer, smarter, and more sustainable. AI-powered monitoring is the latest chapter in that long tradition. Silent sentinels don't replace ranchers. They stand watch beside them, protecting cattle, land, and time. If stories like this matter to you, if you care about ranch restoration, innovation, and preserving the American West, subscribe to Ranch Revival America. We document the real work behind saving ranches, honoring tradition, and preparing for the future. More ranches need revival, more stories need to be told, and this journey is just beginning.